Your boy Credit K. We're back with another one. Did a video about some crypto. Let's talk about some crypto and how to leverage credit, liquidate those credit cards, move it over to crypto. If you just got some extra cash laying around, if you're always interested in the crypto, here's a video for you. The top app right now, the top app I recommend is Robinhood. Robinhood, go ahead and download the Robinhood app. You can trade stocks, trade options, trade crypto. They have some of the top meme coins and altcoins, and of course the top crypto Bitcoin, all on this platform. You can trade things I traded over the weekend: SHIB, Dogecoin. They all spiked. Most of these coins are looking down right now. Ethereum is down right now, right a little bit above $3,000. It was up around almost $5,000 the last all-time highs. Solana is up around all-time highs, so that one is maybe a little bit out the reach, but they're saying it could get up to 600, so still maybe time to buy. ADA got up to $3 last bull market, so I think this is still a good buy at 73 cents right now. A lot of things spiked due to the election of Donald Trump and a pro-crypto government, so a lot of those things have been improving the crypto market. And what they call degen crypto, DeFi crypto is not regulated. It's not on most of the exchanges, so the price of those coins can go up and down very quickly. One of the top degen coin is a coin called degen. It's on the Ethereum network, and a couple other ones, Dog with Hat, Peanut the Squirrel coin. A lot of these meme coins are spiking and getting people rich beyond their dreams because these coins spike, and just because they spike at a high price and at a low market cap, meaning most of these coins are under 2 cents. So if you put $100 in, you can get over 1,000 coins, and some of these are going up 2-3 cents a day. So very profitable meme coins like Andy, Brett. If you download Coinbase wallet, a lot of those tokens are on there. But Robinhood, Coinbase, download one of those two apps. If you want a link down in the description for those two apps, go ahead and download both of us and get some free crypto. And then exchange. If you got any questions about crypto, definitely hit me up at Credit K on all social media: TikTok, Instagram, X, everything Credit K, and I can help you out getting started and building your portfolio. This crypto bull run is going to last up until either March, April of 2025 or July 2025. So you still got time to get in now. Double your profits. Anything you put in can go up to 2, 3, 4 times its money. Example, $1,000 by April, it could easily turn into $4,000 or $5,000 just by buying in today. All right, so go ahead, let's talk about it. I'm gonna do a crypto update daily going forward up until April. All right, and this is the crypto for today, Monday, November 18th. We go.